If you're thinking about moving to Pickering and you want to know what the waterfront is all about here, this video is for you as I go over the two different areas of the Pickering waterfront, and we're getting into it right after this. Hey, what's going on? It's Brad Goetz with Right at Home Realty, and I'm a local realtor here in the Durham region. If it's your first time watching any of my videos or coming across my channel, be sure to subscribe to it and then also like the videos that you're watching. Lets me know people are enjoying what I'm putting out there, but then it also helps YouTube with their algorithms and put my videos in front of more people just like yourself who consider moving to Pickering. This video is just going to uncover the different waterfronts within Pickering. It's a little chilly out, it's about 17 degrees and very windy, so you're not going to see anybody swimming in the water. I've even got like my little fall jacket, but that's besides the point. So this video, again, will uncover the different areas within Pickering's waterfront. There's an east side, which we will start with, and then there's also on the west side of Frenchman's Bay, which again, two different waterfronts you have your choice to go to. I did bring my drone, I'll put that up into the air so you can see the waterfront pretty much from the sky, which a lot of people tend to enjoy watching. I have people reaching out from all over the world, and I absolutely love it. So if you're looking to move to or from the Durham region, be sure to call, text, email, send a carrier pigeon, whatever is easiest for you, and I'm here to make your move and relocation go so much easier. So let's jump into the video. I'll show you a bit of what the waterfronts are all about, and we're getting into it right now. So the first side we're on is the west side. So pretty much it's on the west side of Frenchman's Bay. If you look for a street called Beach Point Promenade, that's kind of where you can come park and get access to the beach. It's a little chilly today, so you're not going to be, if you come on a day like this, competing with people for parking spots or beach spots. So it's a nice beach. It's all like sand, and so it's good for kids. They can come play in the sand. You have access to the water, so it's really nice. This is more built towards the beach and the waterfront trail. So you can come here with your bikes. You can walk through the waterfront trail. You're kind of getting views of Lake Ontario, so it's nice like that. So let's put the drone up into the sky so you can see what this side of the beach looks like. So now we're walking on the east side of Frenchman's Bay, and this is the part that has like a little mini downtown beach. It has a parkette for, I guess, kids to play at. This one here, I do find during the summer gets quite a bit more busy, and it's mainly because there's more to do. You see people fishing off of the docks and the piers and all that kind of stuff. So it's really nice to look at. So I will put the drone up into the sky, and you can see kind of what this Frenchman's Bay waterfront is all about. And so let's get it up there now. Well, that's the video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, be sure to like it. If you haven't or you forgot at the beginning, subscribe to the channel. If you've subscribed before, don't subscribe again because it will actually unsubscribe you. I hope you enjoyed the video and it made it a little bit more of what Pickering is actually like to live in. So behind me is Frenchman's Bay, and this isn't an area where you'd want to go swimming because the Lake Ontario is on the other side way behind me there. But this could be good for fishing or just come in to see how peaceful it really is. If you're looking to move to Pickering, you can call, text, email, send the carrier pigeon, whatever is easiest for you, and I'm here to make your whole move and relocation go so much easier. I have people reaching out from all over the world, and I absolutely love it. So if you are, be sure to reach out. Thanks for watching. Check out videos on my channel, perhaps the Pickering playlist that I've put out there. Until next time.